Hello, in front of me I have XIAOMI Mi Band 5 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. Let's start by tapping on the bottom of the screen to wake it up, and now let's press and hold on the middle of the screen to open the watch face menu. Here we can swipe up and down to find the watch face we like and tap on it to select it. For example, this one, like that. We can also customize some of them, and to do it, let's open the menu back. And the customizable ones have the settings icon below them, so let's tap on it. Here tap the check mark to confirm, and now we can basically change the widgets on it, on the watch face. We can swipe up and down, like this, find the widget you like, and then you can tap on the next one to change it, like this. Once you're done, press and hold on the middle of the screen again to confirm, like this. You can also enter the watch face menu through settings. To do it, swipe down from the top of the screen, tap on more, here scroll down, and we have a band display option. Tap on it to enter the watch face menu. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.